back to Cotton Creations. So today I am bringing you another Amazon wig, and this time the company is called U and A. So this is a company and it's another bob. So no, I did not get the bob. So I got this curly wig and these are the curls. I got it in 14 inches and it comes with a 13x6 parting space, which is great. So let's take a look. This unit has 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the center and 1 in the back. It also comes with some lace in the back and then the adjustable straps as well. So yeah, and it is nice and breathable. That's what I like. And let's check out the knots. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the knots are not bleached, so I'm gonna have to bleach this unit and tint the lace and the knots. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll probably change the parting space to like a side part. Yeah, or maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. But if you're interested in seeing how I customize this unit, please stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so you can see all the awesome videos I have coming your way. And let's hop into the video.
So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm just bleaching the knots, and I'm using the same technique that I used in my previous wig tutorial. Here's what it looks like afterwards, and here I'm just showing you that the edges have been pre-plucked, but I'm going to still go in and pluck them out just a little bit more to make them look even more natural. So before you start plucking, you want to always make sure you spray that section of hair with some water and make sure it's moisturized. And I'm just using some tweezers to pluck, and I just make sure I hold the hair really tight as I'm plucking so that I don't damage the lace and I don't pluck out too much hair at once. And then all you have to do is just comb that section so that you get all the loose hairs out, and then you can continue to do that until the edges look like, and the hairline looks like what you want. Next, I'm just going to use my mousse and apply all over the hair, especially around that parting area, so that the hair near the parting space lays nice and flat and doesn't have any flyaways. And I also apply it throughout the hair, but I want the curls to still remain fluffy and bouncy with some volume, so I don't put too much in the bottom part of the curls, but you definitely want to make sure that you smooth the mousse through the hair. Once you're done this step, you can now begin to style the hair on the mannequin head if you want, or you can wait until you put it on your head to style. It's totally up to you. Do y'all see these curls? They look amazing and they feel amazing. They're super soft, super bouncy. I love them. So I went on ahead and tinted the lace, and I'm just giving you a close-up of what that is looking like now. So I did add an elastic band, and I removed those side wig combs because they don't really serve any purpose for me because I don't use them. So I got rid of them. So now it's time to go ahead and put on the wig and finish up. So I was watching Beige OJ's channel, and she uses a razor to cut her lace front wig. So I was like, let me try this out. So that's what I'm attempting to do here. I did like the results. I think I need to attempt this once more just to perfect it, but I do like it better than using the scissors. So don't forget to cut the lace off the back part, and now it's time to go ahead and apply the wig and style. So in this video, I'm doing the glueless method with the elastic band, but if I wanted a more secure hold, I would totally use some Got2b gel or some wig glue to secure down the lace front. So feel free at this step, if you want a more secure hold, to use one of those two products. So here I'm using some mousse just to really tack down the lace front and mold it, and also put in some baby hairs. At first I wasn't sure if I wanted baby hairs, and then I decided, let me see what it looks like, and I did want to add some in there. So I went back in and added those, and then I just take my scarf and tie those down for about 10 minutes. And then once the scarf is on, you can go ahead and continue to do some styling, as you'll see shortly that I do. And if you want to shape this hair a little bit more, you can always go in and cut it to shape your face more. And you'll see I do a little bit of cutting on this unit. And if you want the curls to be really defined and flatter, feel free to go in and add your curly girl products, like a leave-in conditioner, some mousse, some water, all of those things, just to make sure that the curls are nice and defined. I didn't want that look. I wanted it to be very you know, big and have some volume and fluffy and bouncy. So I didn't go in and do that. But if you do want that look, you can totally do that at this point. So now it's time to look at the final look. Let's take off this scarf, honey, and check out this parting space and these edges. I love this hair. The curls are super bouncy. They're so fun and fluffy. This unit was fairly simple to customize. So if you're looking for a curly wig that is great quality and will withstand the test of time for a very long time, I think this is a great option if you're in the market for a curly unit.
Please let me know what you guys think of this wig tutorial down in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, you can put them down there and I'll answer those for you. I'll also put the information for the wig down in the description box as well, so you guys can go check it out, and all the pricing is very affordable. The quality is great and amazing, and as you can see, it didn't take very much to customize this unit. So I'm excited for you guys to, you know, let me know what you think and possibly check them out yourself. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching.